Meanwhile, the death toll in Venezuela is growing. Nearly 1,500 people are now believed dead. Fresh drone footage of collapsed buildings just north of Caracas shows the enormous impact from the earthquake. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates more than 10,000 deaths could be recorded. And volunteers are sifting through rubble and doing all they can to help.
One of the top priorities at the moment is trying to rescue as many lives as possible. We also need emergency medical and surgical supplies, water purification tablets, wash supplies, and of course, psychological first aid kits.
The U.S. Department of State says sending money is the best way to help in Venezuela's recovery. The agency does warn against scammers and illegitimate charities. And as families across Venezuela begin accounting for loved ones, the impact is also being felt here at home. For one Metro Atlanta family, the story has quickly shifted from anxious waiting to unimaginable loss. And our Nikel Williams joins us live in studio. Nikel, you introduced us to this family last week. What did you learn today?
Sharon Janelle Edgehill says she learned on Saturday that her uncle did not survive the earthquakes. The family was hopeful after he responded to people calling his name from outside a hotel, which collapsed. But by the time first responders reached him, he wasn't alive. Edgehill says she's saddened by her uncle's death, but she's grateful her brother and nephew, who also live in the impacted area, are okay. Daily, they're delivering water on a truck to people who can meet them in one location to collect it in huge buckets. She's learning more about what's happening on the ground when her brother is able to call, but when he does, it's only for about 1 minute.
They don't have electricity, they don't have water. And when they go outside to the street, it's a lot of person death.
The restaurant where Edgehill works at, Papillon con Limon, is accepting donations. They say they will also be collecting items like non-perishable things and hygiene products as well. We'll have more information on CBS News app for people who do want to help out.
Yeah, there's a lot of people who want to help as well, too.
It's desperately needed.
Indeed. Nikel, thank you.